equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Changing the plug on your Rowenta appliance is a straightforward task that can save you time and money. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, wire strippers, and a new Australian standard plug. First, unplug your Rowenta appliance from the power source. Safety is paramount, so make sure it's completely disconnected. Next, locate the existing plug. Using your flathead screwdriver, carefully remove the screws holding the plug casing together. Keep these screws safe, as you will need them later. Once the casing is open, you will see the wires connected to the plug. Take note of how they are connected. It's crucial to remember the configuration for the new plug. If you're unsure, take a photo for reference. Now, using your wire strippers, carefully strip about 1 centimeter of insulation from the ends of each wire. This will ensure a good connection with the new plug. Next, remove the old wires from the plug. You may need to unscrew them, so use your Phillips screwdriver for this task. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have a professional handle it for you. Now, take your new Australian standard plug. Inside, you will find 3 terminals: live, neutral, and earth. Connect the wires to the corresponding terminals. The live wire, usually brown, goes to the live terminal. The neutral wire, typically blue, connects to the neutral terminal, and the earth wire, which is green or yellow, connects to the earth terminal. Ensure that each wire is securely fastened by tightening the screws on each terminal. Once all wires are connected, double-check your work. It's essential to ensure that there are no loose connections, as this could pose a safety hazard. After confirming everything is secure, carefully close the plug casing and reinsert the screws you removed earlier. Before you plug your appliance back in, take a moment to clean the internal components of the plug casing. Dust and debris can accumulate, so a quick wipe with a dry cloth can help maintain optimal performance. Now, you're ready to test your newly fitted plug. Plug your Rowenta appliance back into the power source and turn it on. If it operates smoothly, congratulations! You've successfully changed the plug. If you encounter any issues, remember we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. In summary, changing the plug on your Rowenta appliance is a simple yet effective way to ensure it operates safely and efficiently. With the right tools and a bit of patience, you can complete this task with ease. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.